Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change activity modifier keys in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then into Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then after that, in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then in the voiceover, scroll down and then tap the activities. Then in your activities, tap your activity. Then in your activities, scroll down and go to interaction section and then tap the modifier keys. Then in the modifier keys, if you want to change it to caps lock, just tap it until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to remove the control plus option, just tap it to remove the check mark. And take note, choose the modifier keys that must be pressed on a hardware keyboard to activate voiceover key commands. And that's it, we have successfully changed activity modifier keys and voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!